Peace, peace, jugglers.
Peace.
What's up, y'all? Hey, so, all right.
You doing too much.
Juggling the Johnsons. Don't forget to subscribe.
Christmas on a budget. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button now. Peace, peace, jugglers.
Hey.
All right, it is almost Christmas time. Naisha's starting to get some decorations going. And I'm doing something different this year. I'm doing Christmas on a budget.
That's cute.
All right, I'm doing Christmas on a budget this year, which means I don't want to spend more than, say, $250 on our kids. And I think that might even be more than the budget. So I am actually going to cash in my change today. And
He's a very good saver, by the way.
very good. So here's where we're at. I'm going to cash in this little guy here. Got all of my change that we've been saving up over the last couple months. I can't say we, it's really been me.
Yeah,
I've been
not me.
saving my change. I got a couple bills in here, a 10 and a 5 only. And that was just because people wanted to bless me, and that was like a $10 bill I got and a $20 bill. I threw it in my change drawer, and I said I was going to do all my Christmas shopping today on my change. So we're heading out now to the bank, actually to the credit union. Do credit unions, don't do banks. We're heading to the credit union to see how much I've collected and how much we're going to actually spend on the kids. So, what you think?
Happy shopping.
Happy shopping. I usually wouldn't take her with me to cash in my change because it's my change.
He doesn't want me to know how much it is.
But how much y'all think it is? Look at that. Person that guesses the closest. Actually, I don't think I can give you anything because by the time I put this video up, I'm going to have the total already, and you guys are probably going to know the total, so I have to think of some other fun something I can do to send you a gift card. Maybe I'll think about that throughout the day as we cash in the change and figure out how much the budget is going to be. I got the list for Carrie. Bo's going to be very easy. He's getting books, maybe 1 or 2 toys this year. Carrie listed out 5 things. John's
going to be the heavy hitter this year.
he has everything. The boy got a PlayStation 4. He got an Xbox. He has a MacBook. He doesn't need anything, and he acknowledges that himself. So he might be real easy. His birthday is coming up, so we have to think about that too. So probably throughout the day, we'll try and knock out some of the things that are on the list, and then also think about John's birthday. But Merry Christmas season almost. I can't wait for Thanksgiving. So that's a couple weeks from us. We're going to be having fun. Out of town, we'll bring you maybe a short video on that too. What do you think?
We can.
All right, we'll do a short video on that. We'll do an old-fashioned family road trip. But heading out to the credit union to see how much we've saved up in coins over the last few months.
Oh, yes.
I guess that's why they broke in your sofa.
Leonard don't know none of the words, y'all.
Biggie, who? Uh-huh. That's all I know. Uh-huh. So how much you think we saved? What's your guess?
I'm going to guess about $280. He thinks that he's done the most.
$280.
$280.
I'm gonna go with 300 plus. I really think 400, but I'm gonna go with 300 plus. So here it is on the Price is Right. What happens if you guess closer than I did?
Then I get $50.
You get 50 of my dollars?
$50.
Oh, man. All right, guys. Naisha obviously needs $50, so please go visit and book YoSnap at bookyosnap.com and get your photo booths for this holiday season and the New Year's so she can get her $50.
Or You can do me a solid and go on over to Cash App. $ JugglingTheJohnsons.
Cash App, $ Juggling the Johnsons. Make that donation. Or you can send your boy a roll of quarters and I will keep them safe and utilize them for either the holidays or something special. I'm taking all rolls of quarters from here on out. Let me get a roll. We just got to the credit union though, so we're gonna run into our local credit union here in St. Louis. And I'm gonna see how well I did. And I think I'm gonna do a little social media challenge. Let you guys go in and guess, and I'll send you maybe a gift card or something if you guess the closest to what we actually saved up.
I'm not sending y'all nothing.
Scrooge.
He can send that to y'all.
'Tis the season to
Family
be
of
thankful.
5. No.
I hear you. Yeah. All right, so we will check in with y'all in a second. All right, so I'm gonna cash in my change and see how well I did. 400 plus. Do I get to count my bills? Because I got a couple bills.
Well, you can't include the bills. That's not fair.
But I saved them.
You saved them, but we're talking about coins.
That's like 3 rows of quarters. I think you might get it. All right, wait. So now we got to debate this.
We'll see. We'll debate, all right. Friends, I always win.
A couple of queens. Where did I get these from? These must have been from the Bahamas.
Maybe. More coins in there.
I think those are just like pennies that are bent or stuck together.
Sure.
All right, that's the reject pile.
Okay. Hold up the ticket. How much did you save?
277.
I
You
said 280.
280, but I still think I won because this would put me at 307.
We're talking about change.
307.
We're talking about change.
I didn't go get the rolls, so that's messed up. All right, jugglers, you get to decide. Leave a comment. Who won? Was it me or was it Naisha?
So,
All right. So it's grand total. 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, $307.
$207.
300.
Oh, 3. Sorry. No, go ahead. You're good.
So that's all my change that I saved up. And I think we will work this budget to get our kids what they need. And maybe have a little bit extra for ourselves. We'll see. And I think we will work this budget to get our for ourselves. We'll see. So our kids watch the channel, and I won't be able to show you everything that we picked up. But for good deals, I love to stop by Five Below. It's one of my favorite stores to stop by. You can get something for all of the kids, and also maybe your niece's nephew, your friend's children, if you have friends with children, things like that. It's a great place to pick up everyone something without breaking the bank. Our kids love candy. This is probably the only time out the year I will do this. But for a stocking stuffer, I did go ahead and pick up Carrie some bubble gum. And for John's stocking this year, I went ahead and got him some Mike and Ike's. Now, if you know Carrie, of course, on her list is slime. She loves to make slime, and they have a huge, great selection. This is actually Nickelodeon, and we're going to see how this slime does. It was only $5, so I picked up one of those. And then she also loves Ryan's toy review, and So she wants one of the big eggs for Christmas. However, I was a little disappointed with the content last year, so we're going to put this little small one in her stocking. And for Bo, he loves Mickey Mouse is what he says all the time. So we're going to pick him up this Mickey Mouse, and that'll go in his stocking this year as well. Next stop was Walmart. They have a lot of great deals here, and we ran in. It was about 37 days before Christmas, and we wanted to see what they had. They had this elf on the shelf, the infamous elf on the shelf. It retails for $29.95. I'm a frugal person, so for that price, that elf actually is going to stay on the shelf. However, I did go over to the toy section to pick up one of the things that Bo wanted. Be leery when you go to some of these department stores. They like to put the most expensive things on the child's eye height. And so the more expensive stuff is sometimes toward the bottom of the shelf. And for Bo, he loves the Power Rangers. And we wanted to pick him up something. I think this was a great deal for $19. And I was trying to decide to get red or blue, and the Kappa and me decided my baby boy is going to get the Red Ranger. So we picked that up for him before we headed out. All right, so we've done most of our shopping for today. I think we knocked out just about everything on Carrie's list. Bo can probably get his books, and we didn't get him anything educational. So that's something to still consider. John, we actually did shopping for his birthday, which is in a couple weeks, as well as Christmas. But then I don't know what else he wants on his list. But as right now, we're knocking him out. And we're just about done. And I still have 100.
Can they see it?
Still got 135, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 139 more dollars left over. And still got to knock out a few other items, small stuff, and hopefully I can do that for under $39.
$40 budget. Hopefully you can do that.
$40, which would give us $100 to split and buy each other some stuff. We are extremely blessed, and so this year on my Christmas list, I just want a wireless charger. And
I don't really have anything on my Christmas list.
let me get a wireless charger. It was like $9 from Walmart.
Yeah.
So
That's where we are this year. We normally don't spend a whole lot of money on Christmas, so you know. This year is really no different. We're just using our change jar.
Change jar instead of running it on our credit cards or spending our other disposable income.
You guys, I'm sleepy. We just left the Cheesecake Factory, so that's why I don't have the energy.
Yeah.
So
Lunch was good.
lunch was good.
Try the fried cauliflower. It was fire.
Hey jugglers, we hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe for more great content. See you next time on Juggling the Johnsons.